Welcome to our quick and easy recipe of tasty Batata Poha. Serves 4 people. 2 onions, 1 tomato, 1 boiled potato, 4 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon sugar, half lemon, half tablespoon black mustard seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 6 to 8 curry leaves, 4 peeled garlic, 1 green chili, half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon achar pickle masala, salt to taste. Crushed garlic and ginger, coriander for flavor. Wash poha in water and add all spices into poha. Add sugar and half lemon in poha as well. Heat oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves. Add crushed garlic, chili, and onion tomato. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add poha and mix it well. Simmer for 2 minutes. Add coriander for flavor. Ready to serve. Enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.